Hi, we're situated here today outside Larne doing a new build that's been designed by Slemish Design in Brasheen. We're applying Icynene LDC 50 to the complete roof, which is actually a warm roof construction that has been designed. Let's go and have a look and see how the guys have got on today. If you have a project you would like us to advise you on, or maybe upgrade your current insulation, please contact us through all forms of our social media and our team will be happy to help you.